Hi, my name is Sandhya and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to make an instant breakfast recipe using just 3 ingredients. Ingredients list is given in the description box below. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell next to it. And do not forget to like, share and comment after watching the video. So all the ingredients we require for this dish is rice flour, some salt and some water. So I've taken rice flour which is fine, added some salt to it. Let's mix the salt and the flour nicely. And I've got water ready in here. I've taken a cup of rice flour. We'll add about 1.5 cup of water to it. Mix it well so that it forms a batter without any lumps. So the batter has been mixed nicely and you can see it's a very runny batter. That's how we want this batter to be. So the runny batter is ready. Now we are ready to prepare the dosas. To make the Neer dosa or the Ghavan, mix the batter nicely. I've already greased a dosa tawa. I'm using a non-stick one. Take the batter and pour from the sides. Now you can apply ghee or oil. Cover and let it cook. Once it's cooked from one side, slowly and very carefully flip it to the other side. Cook for a few minutes and then remove it into a plate. You can serve this with any non-veg or veg side dishes of your choice or with just plain coconut chutney. Do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.